Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet beautiful and fast baby blanket. In this tutorial, I will use 5 balls of woody buck yarn to make a stroller size. You can use any selected size yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 7 mm. Measuring tape, scissors and yarn needle. First, take the yarn and make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 3. In this tutorial, I will make 66 chain stitches to make 30 inches to make the stroller size blanket. Measure your chains like this. Then, after you check your numbers, skip 3 chain stitches from the hook. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch in the same chain stitch to make 1 V stitch. Now you finished the first V stitch. Repeat this. Then skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make another 1 V stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same chain stitch. Repeat this. Repeat this to finish the first row. Skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 V stitch, then skip 2 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 V stitch. Repeat this to finish this row. After you finished all chain stitches, in the last you will find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1 chain stitch. In the last one, make 1 double crochet stitch. Now you finished the first row. To make the second row, chain 1, turn your work. Before the first V stitch, space, make 1 single crochet stitch. Then 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 1 sin then chain 2, then after the V-stitch space make 1 single crochet stitch between V-stitches space. Repeat this, chain 2, then between the next 2 V-stitches space make 1 single crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish the second row. After you finished all spaces in the last, you will find chain 3 space. In the last space, make 1 single crochet stitch to finish the second row. After you finished the last double crochet space by making 1 single crochet stitch to make the third row, chain 2, turn your work in the first chain 2 space, make 1 V-stitch, repeat this. Repeat this in the next chain 2 spaces to finish the third row. After you finished all chain 2 spaces, in the last you will find chain 1 space. In the last chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the third row. Now start to repeat from the row number 2 by chain 1, turn your work, and start to repeat the second row. Then after you finish the second row, start to repeat the third row and repeat this to finish your blanket size as you like to your selected baby blanket size. After you repeat the second and the third row, start to measure like this. In this tutorial, I want to make 35 inches to make a stroller size. Now start to make the blanket edge. First chain 3, then rotate your work in the same double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch to make the first half of the first corner stitch. Then in the next double crochet stitch space, make 2 double crochet stitches together in the same space. Repeat this in the next double crochet stitch space. Repeat this to finish the first side. In the next double crochet stitch space, make 2 double crochet stitches together in the same space. Repeat this to finish the first side. After you finished the first side, in the last you'll find a corner stitch. To make the corner stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches all in the same stitch together. Then rotate your blanket to make the second side. In the next space, make 2 double crochet stitches together. Then skip the next V-stitch. Between V-stitches spaces, make 2 double crochet stitches together. Repeat this to finish the second side. Make 2 double crochet stitches together in the next double crochet stitches space. After you finished the third side and make the corner stitch, start to make the last side by making 2 double crochet stitches in the first V-stitch space. Repeat this in the next V-stitch space. Make 2 double crochet stitches together. Then repeat this in the next V-stitch space. Repeat this to finish this side. This is the last side. After you finish all V-stitch spaces, in the last you will find the first corner stitch. Make 1 double crochet stitch in the last corner stitch. Then in the second chain stitch, insert your hook and make 1 slip stitch to join. Then chain 1, pull the yarn to cut the yarn and fasten off, and weaving ends. Weaving ends with the yarn needle. Now your blanket is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.